Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Standard Chartered Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in sc.com/sg/ and hit enter. After the home page of the Standard Chartered Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the online banking login option. After you click on the online banking option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on login. Once you click on the login button and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the Standard Chartered Bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the Standard Chartered Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.